Hi students, this is unit number 1, Engineering Geology. Topic: Landforms and processes associated with sea. Here we can study about marine erosion and marine deposition. The first one is marine erosion. What are the marine erosion activities? We can see one by one. Hydraulic action, marine abrasion, attrition, corrosion and solution. Hydraulic action. The processes of gradual breaking down of the rock masses due to the hydraulic stroke of water is known as hydraulic action. Abrasion. The processes of wear and tear of the parent rock of the shore due to the continuous impact of already broken fragments traveling with the advancing wave is known as abrasion. Attrition. The processes of mutual collision between the rock fragments themselves is known as attrition, which brings about further reduction in size of the individual rock fragments. Corrosion and solution. It is a solvent action of the seawater which is particularly strong in environments where the chemical shore rocks is a vulnerable chemical composition. Wave cut cliff or sea cliff. The dashing waves and breakers gradually erode the land masses, forming a coast rise to a steeply sloping strip is called wave cut-off. Wave cut terrace and wave cut bench. A wave cut terrace is a shallow water shelf carved out of the shore rocks by advancing waves. Marine erosion is over. Next one, marine deposition. Marine deposition, two major classifications: shallow water deposits and deep water deposits. Shallow water deposits is having the three major divisions: beaches, split end bars, tombola. As well as deep water deposits, coral reef, atolls and fringing reef and barrier reef. First one, shallow water deposits, also called as neritic. These include marine deposits laid down the neritic zone of the sea extends from lowest tide to the continental slope. First type is beaches. There are loose deposits made by sea waves and current nearby shore with eroded materials. Beaches. Split and bars. Splits. This is a formation by heaped rock debris running parallel to the shoreline. Bar. With more depositional activities, splits grow in dimension and connect themselves with coastal tracts, giving rise to bars which contain a portion of marine water. Tombola. It is the form of bar that connects headland and island or overland to another. Next one, deep water deposits. Pelagic. Fine muds and oozes are undergo the name of deep water deposits. What is oozes? The oozes, which form bulk of some of such deposits, consist of small organisms and silt clay particles in deep sea. These are the oozes. Coral reef. These are peculiar type of ridge like marine deposit which have been formed due to accumulation of dead parts of certain types of sea organisms, among which corals are predominant and hence the name. Coral reef. Coral reef, three types: fringing reef, barrier reef and atolls. First one, fringing reef. The reefs which occur in contact with the fringes of the existing islands and found totally encircling them are known as fringing reefs. Then barrier reef. They encircle the islands but necessarily lie off from them, leaving a strip of marine water in between the reef and enclosed islands. Atolls. When a coral reef occurring more or less in the form of ring encloses only the body of completely shallow marine water, it is known as atoll. Example, Lakshadweep and Maldives in Arabian Sea. Thank you.